How to send pics in Tinder chat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can send pics in Tinder chat, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you want to send pictures in Tinder chat, maybe because you've happened to match for a while and then you decide that you would like to exchange some pictures, well, if you go ahead and then open the Tinder app, you will see this type of interface here, right? And once you've done this, whenever you have a certain chat, let's say, and then you want to send a picture, keep in mind that unfortunately Tinder doesn't allow users to send pictures directly in messages. So from the Tinder app you can't obviously send them. This is done for safety concerns and for security reasons, because someone might just send something that is offending to the other person. Now to do this, once you've matched enough, you can actually exchange each other's social media platform and send them from social media, or you can upload a photo to somewhere and you can upload and give them the link to that, and they'll be able to view that picture. But from the Tinder messaging app directly, you will not be able to send pictures. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.